Hi guys, so I'm fresh and I'm going to
America.
I'm going to parading myself, Charot. I'm so fresh, slick back.
A day in my life.
A day in my life as an athlete, nadakog buna. And that is my mom, mommy 2, and my mommy 1.
Say I love you to your mom.
I love you, mommy.
Uh,
See? And look at my eyelash. See you there at the venue. Bye.
North Arena.
North Arena. See you there. Bye.
So, mo niya. Hi! Hello!
Of Dumaguete City is headed by the school's division superintendent, Dr. Edward Ayan Capio, and assistant school's division superintendent, Dr. Judith Mapwe.
Bye, Sir Not. Bye, sir. Bang. Nausa manas Inday. Bye, Dumaguete. Good luck.
Yes, bakit? Ay, wait sa palangging ha. Atong unahon ang pag-vlog sa pabamag. Hi, Bito. Victoria. Pa may gana murag 1/4 nakaon na ni bataaron.
Gutom gawin. Na may mga balon na.
Na may mapagkaon diha. Remember that anak ha. Ipapalangga mo sa inyong mami.